Good evening, guys. This is almost to 6. This is almost to 6. I slept. I thought I slept around 4 o'clock. Like just 1 hour, 55 minutes, 59 minutes. So I work in the morning. I work in the night. I do night job now. So if you have not been seeing me on YouTube, just know I'm doing night work. So I did a video. I don't know if the video is up already. Okay, so I try to sleep in the evening or afternoon and all that. So guys, let's make evening food before I go to work. So, and that is just it. Catch you guys. Bye. So guys, this is me just trying to put on my hand glove, and because I want to, you see the sound in this thing is just too much. The sound in this yam is just too much. So I decided to wash it, and I wash it very well. After washing it like this, I even use sponge to wash it, just that I did not show that part. I wash it very well because the sound was too much, like too much. So this is me just slicing my yam and all those things. The time is to 6, just a minute to 6. So I'm preparing this food before I'm going to work. Okay, so this is evening time. So, and that is it. So I normally sleep in the morning. If I come back from work, I close from work. What's the time? I close from work. I start work 10 o'clock in the night, in the evening. I close 6 o'clock the next day morning. So maybe the day I will be going to my morning work, I'll still go to my morning work from there before I will not come home to come and sleep. But I'm trying to stop the morning work though. But I said, let me just still be doing it since the days, they reduce the days. Since they reduce the days is not much anymore. So, in this European, you need to know one thing in this country, if you are doing one job, it will not still be enough. It will not still be enough. Unless maybe that job that you are doing, it's paying off, really, really, really paying off. The expenses, the things that is in this country, if you collect your salary, it will not be enough. Like if they pay you on the 15 now, if they pay me like on the 15 now, it will not be 3 days. I've already used all my money. Yes, that's how Europe is. 3 days. Unless maybe you just say, okay, let me save. If it's the money that you cannot save, how will you do? You have family back home, you need to buy this, you need to take care of 1 or 2 things. You need to do a lot of things with that money. It's not really, really easy. I know that it's not easy everywhere. It's everywhere. But you see this Europe, this particular country I am living in, this Italy, oh my God. The way things dey now, the things is getting worse every day. Before you cut 50, if you cut 50 euro like this, you end up using the whole 50 euro. If you cut 50 euro, you remove 50 euro inside money. It's just as if you remove 100 naira inside money, the whole money will finish. Do you understand? So the reason for this hand glove is because of this fish and the yam. When you pay yam, this thing will be scratching you in your body. So I've not taken my bath, so I don't, in case if I want to take my bath, if I'm washing my face, this thing will not affect me on my face, because if not, I will scratch. This thing that happened to me. There's one day I went to go and cut yam. I went to go and slice the yam like this. So later I now go and beat. Upon I wash my hand. Not that I just put my face in my hand in my face and be washing. No, I make sure that I wash my hand very, very well. Still yet, all my body was scratching me. So that's why I just put this hand glove on my hand like this. Just trying to wash plates. At this point, I'm already late. Yes, I've already late. So this one that I'm doing now is a Fabrica work. It's a Fabrica. This place, they do novel, like all those books you see on Amazon, you read, all those novel people buy, all those newspaper. That's what they do in this place. Not that they do it, they they distribute it. It's a warehouse where they distribute books and all those things. So that's the place I am working, and it's 8 hours, 10 to 6 o'clock. So these 8 hours and night work, they pay night work very, 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 very well. They pay night work very well. If you are working in Italy, they pay night work well. So my last month, what the reason I'm just telling you guys, my last month pay was so annoying. Like when I see my last month for my clinic job, when I see my last month upon all the stress, the as in the stress I'll be passing through to go to work, everything, as in making myself uncomfortable and all that, I still doing my job, doing my YouTube, doing my Facebook. Imagine, do everything. If you see money where they pay me for work, I was so angry. I just need to tell you guys this. I was so angry when I screenshot my money I sent this July, July 15, where they pay me. I was shedding tears. I was crying. I showed my husband, see the money they pay me. My husband shout, Jesus. I wish I could put the money here so that you people can see that it's not by going to work. They know they pay. The most thing is that you will work, they will come and pay you one small money like this. That's why I told my husband, I want to look for another job. I cannot be doing this job. They are not paying me very, very well. If I am doing 8 hours, let me know I am doing 8 hours. At least I will be receiving 1,002, 1,3, 1,4. You understand? The fabrica that was working before, I received 1,2, 1,1, like 1,000. I don't know what 1,000 what is it in Nigerian money now. I can, if I remember, I will put it in the video. How much is 1,000 euro? It's much. It's almost half a million. Let me say it like that. Can for not that way dollar don't high now. It go reach that kind 400 or 500,000 if you not even pass. If it even pass safe, sure you understand. I was crying. This is where I packed my best. I was crying. I told my husband I need another job. I cannot do this job again. I cannot do this job again. That was high. It's not even up to 2 to 3 days. I got another job. Like I say, even if the place is very, very far, I will risk it because I need money to do a lot of things. Like I need money. So if you see me not catching up on your video, I'm so sorry. I'm just trying my best, but I'm trying my best. I'll still be doing it just as the way I'm doing it. Still trying to watch people video. Okay, if I have not gotten to your place, I will watch it. I haven't like I've missed a lot of people video, but I'm trying to watch people video, back video and new video. This is where I park my bicycle. This is my break time. This is about 3 something in the morning. This is midnight. So I was just taking a nap. So I'm not eating, I'm just drinking water. This was break time. So this is me at work, okay? So guys, thank you so much for watching. Like and share this video. This is my hot yam. I'll be eating hot yam with our native soup, which is called owo. So this is owo. So the thing is very, very hot. So you have not cooled down. If you cool down, it will be very, very thick, okay? So I am very in the ham place. I'm going to work. When last did you eat yam owo? With plantain. I don't want to stay my clothes. Sometimes I can be eating like a baby. I don't know. If this thing cool down, it's because I'm in haste, that's why.